How to log in to your Paychex employee account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can log into your Paychex employee account. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open your web browser, and once you have opened that, in the search bar, simply type paychex.com and press enter. And this will take you to the official website. And once you are there, look for the top right corner of the screen and simply click on the login button. And you will then be redirected to the login page where you will see a different options for logging in. Since this video is focused on employee login, we will select the employee section. And from the available option, I'll be choosing Paychex Go for the demonstration. And at this point, a new tab will open with the login page. So if you're trying to access a business account, you can enter your username in the respective section. However, if you're logging into an employee account, enter your username under the employee section. And once you have correctly entered your username, you can simply click on next, and on the next page, you simply need to type in your password. And if you have forgotten your username or password, you can simply click on Forget Username or Password to recover your account. And after entering your details, you can simply click on Employee Login to access your account. And that's all there is to it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.